Today I'm going to show you how we can configure VoIP for voice and data VLANs, and how to configure a telephone server for voice and data. So at first let's take one router to 811. Let's put them here. It'll be more easier to show you. Switch, one switch. Okay. 2 IP phones. So make sure you take IP phones. And 2 end devices. Let's connect them. Start from router to connect the interfaces to switch, and from switch to phones, from phones to end devices. Okay. Let's plug the power for the phones. So I'll just drag this one, the mouse onto the socket, as well as this one. Yeah, now connection is made. So we have 2 IPs. Let's put this one here. For data, so data IP 2.168.1.0, and for voice we'll have 172.161.0. So it will be 2 different IP. Yeah? It will be more easier to remember them when you make configuration the router. We'll start with switch. Sorry about that. So English config terminal, and let's start create the VLANs. So we're going to create VLANs for data. So VLAN 10, or let's say VLAN 10, yeah, 10, name data, exit, VLAN 50, name voice, exit. Now we have to put those 2 interfaces on access mode, and this one from here we have to put on trunk. So we have interface 02 and 03. Yeah. So interface range FA0/2 to 3. Switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10, and switch port voice VLAN 50. Yeah. So they can access VLAN 10 and VLAN 50 for voice. And now we have to configure this interface. Yeah? So this one is FA01. Yeah. Interface FA0/1. Switch port mode trunk. Yeah. And we have to do switch port trunk 50, yeah. So we have two VLANs, yeah, 10 and 50. So we have to give the VLAN 10 and 50 for this interface to be accessible. Okay, exit, do right. We're done with the switch. Now we can start configuring the router. So CLI, ask if we want to load preview configuration, but we don't have any, so we say no. English config terminal, and at first I want to put this interface on not to don't shut down, yeah. This is FA00, yeah. So interface FA0/0, yeah, no shutdown. If you can see now, it's still green. X. Let's start create DHCP pools. So let's create for data at first. We're going to use this IP for data, yeah. So IP DHCP pool data network, yeah. 192.168.1.0 subnet max 255.255.2.0 default router 192.168.1.1. so this guy, this IP is going to be the IP for this interface, so any end devices cannot use this IP, yeah? Okay, so we did create pool for data. Let's create for voice IP DHCP pool voice network 172.168.1.0 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default router 172.16.1.1, yeah. And here one more thing, we have to add option 150 for FTTP IP 172.16.1.1, yeah, that's it. So I create the DHCP pool. Now we have to create sub-interfaces for each VLAN, yeah, for data and voice. So interface FA0/0 dot 10, because we use for data, so data it was VLAN 10, yeah. Change status to up, yeah. So isolation dot 1Q 10 enter IP add 192.168.1.1 and subnet max 255.255.255.0, yeah. So create for data, let's create for voice F0/0 dot 50, yeah, and cancellation dot 1Q VLAN 50, the Chinese voice. Then IP path 172.16.1.1 and similar was 255.255.255.0. Yes, now we need to configure everything. We just have to configure this telephone server, which one is very easy. Yeah, but first let's check if we get IP. Oh, so we have to go on the end device desktop, IP config, switch on DHCP, requesting. Yeah, DHCP pull request successful. You can see here. So on this one, from static to DHCP port, we get dynamic IP. So the phone should get MIP. Yeah, we get MIP. Yeah. Now we start to configure telephone server. So telephone service. Yeah. Max directory number to be 2 because we have only 2 phones. Yeah. And max e phones 2. Yeah, we have only 2 phones. Okay. IP source address. IP source address 172.16.1.1 port 2000. Yeah. Auto assign to be 1 to 2. So auto assign to be the number for 2 phones. Yeah. That's it. Then we start with ePhone directory number 1. Yeah, so change status to R. Number, let's say 101. Yeah. Yeah, so the phone got registered. You have to wait a little bit. Yeah, the phone has been registered. Exit the phone directory. So directory number 2. Yeah, change status to R. Number 102. And so you have to wait for a little bit. Yeah, the phone has registered. Exit, do Y, and that's all what we can do on router. Let's have a look if we get line number. Yeah, line number 102, line number 101. Let's try to see if it's working. So we go on IP phone 1 guy, and here if you can see the line number, it's 102, and we want to call 101. Yeah, so 101 and press on the phone. Now it's saying ring out. Yeah, you open this one, wrong guy. If you can see, I receive a call from 102. Yeah, if we press on this, the phone is connected. Yeah, so that's all for today, guys. If you have any question, please leave a comment and I will come back to you. Or as well, if you want to make a tutorial about something, please ask me in comments, or I have a Telegram channel as well. You can ask me there what you want. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.